I directed a team of AI agents to build a video game. Here's the thing, I'm a developer, or I should say, I'm a newly graduated developer, and I have never built a game before, and I have never touched this game engine, so I kind of wanted to test and see how far I would get using AI. This was kind of a test of AI's limit. Could I actually ship a game using only AI? To be clear, this took me so far about 2 weeks, just back and forth with AI, directing, playtesting, and arguing with my own AI team. I didn't draw a single line of code, and I didn't draw any picture either. This channel is where I build stuff like this and explore the usage of AI. Subscribe if that's your thing. Also, later in the video, I will show you how I set up my team of AI agents, and then I just went to sleep. The game is called Skrock. It's Swedish for superstition. It's a deck builder roguelike game where you fight creatures from Nordic folklore. Think of it like Hearthstone board, but Slay the Spire dungeon. But this video isn't really about the game. It's about how I made the game. I had 3 AIs with 3 jobs. I had the planner, which I used Fable 5 for. I used the planner to plan every feature and the structure and architecture of the game. I would go back and forth with the planner until I had something that I thought was good. Then I would send that off to the worker. I also had a third AI, and that was the artist, if you can call it that. But basically, I used Codex for all the images. Yeah, the workflow was to plan with the planner and then send off the workload to the worker. And my job was to just direct and take decisions. So one night, I had the idea that maybe I could automate this in a way that the worker can work while I sleep. So what I did was, instead of doing the first workflow that I had, which was to make a feature, send it to the worker, and then wait for the worker to get done, and then send the new feature. Does this make sense? Yeah, whatever. Instead of that, I made a document where we put all of the features and implementations, and then the worker can just read off of that document. So, meaning I could write down 9 different features that I want for the game, and then I could just go to sleep, and I would tell the worker to work the queue. Also, to prevent the AI from stopping completely, I also told it that if you have anything that needs clarification, write it in the document, and then I set up a cron job for my planner to check the work queue every hour. So if the worker got any problems, it would write it in the document, and then an hour goes by, and the planner could then check and resolve the issue and take a decision. If it was a vital decision, I told it to skip it and then continue with the next implementation. And then I could look at that decision in the morning. Every creature from this game comes from recorded Swedish folk belief, or I would say Nordic folk belief. It's not something I made up. It's something that is rooted in the folklore. For example, this is Mara, an ordinary person by day, compelled at night to slip through keyholes and press on sleeper's chest. I did invent some of the cards and some of the creatures, but everything is open. So what's recorded says it's recorded, and what's created says it's created. The website labels every card recorded, tradition, or our own myth. The art for the game is AI generated. It wasn't smooth, okay? I had to redesign the map 5 times. I think I finally got something that works. I would really appreciate feedback. If you want to try the game, it's going to be in the description
Small hens keep
or
big houses
right here.
standing.
Here. This all took me 2 weeks. And this is what exists now. It's over 100 illustrated cards, 2 class heroes with completely different playstyles. We have 2 acts, a different boss. We have folklore event, a full collection system with packs, and a day and a night cycle where the world and the card transforms. The demo is free, and the link is in the description. Please try the game and then tell me if you got confused, what should be improved, or if you want me to actually make this a full game. See you in the next one. So we are recording. Jungle is massive. Gonna one take Johnny this shit.